Yep.
What's the last name for the booking?
Browning.
And could you spell that one out for me, please?
Here's the control. B for Bravo.
Yep.
R for Romeo.
Yep.
O for Orange.
Yep.
W for Whiskey.
Yep.
N for November.
Yep.
I for Igloo.
Yep.
N for November.
Yes.
And G for Golf.
Okay, so Browning and the first name?
Caleb with a C.
Caleb.
Yep. Do you want to spell my do you want to spell my first name?
That's okay, I've got that one.
Yep, that's okay. And can you grab my, that's right. My mum and dad's dad again or not?
Do you have a membership card with that, sorry?
No, I don't. I need my mum and dad's dad, please. My mobile number? I do have a mobile number here.
What was the mobile number?
Yeah, sure. 0403
Yep.
655
655.
655
Yep.
601.
01.
Yep, and can you repeat my mobile number again, please?
So 0403
Yes.
655
Yes.
601.
Yep, that's right, yeah. And I can give them my phone number instead. Is the phone number or mobile number all done?
That's all done. So,
Okay. Here's a good job, yep.
check that everything's correct.
Yep, that's alright.
Okay. That one's all total comes to $75.25.
Okay, can I pay by credit card?
Yes, what type of card was that one?
Visa gift card?